Hey people of the internet, I wanted to ask a question because I don't quite understand what's happening. The other day at work I was wanting to share a GIF in the chat of Long Thumb Guy on YouTube that went viral several times. So I did what any person would. I typed into Giphy.com, the GIF searching site, long thumbs. And what I got, to my confusion, was all these images of boobs and titillation and hot women. And it wasn't, okay, one scroll down the page, we do get something related to thumbs. And then it's not until you get really quite far down, they get Taylor Swift doing thumbs up, yeah, that's relevant. But why are these the results for the search term long thumbs? Now, check this out. If you search the word long on its own, you get what you expect, not really any sort of consistent theme, just lots of things relating to long stuff, long tongues, long giraffes, etc., long hair, right? And if you search for thumbs, again, you get exactly what you expect, which is thumbs up. Yeah, pretty much all people all doing thumbs up. But when you combine the terms, long thumbs, again, it's just, and the suggested tags, hashtag camel toe, hashtag thong, kimono. Now, my question is, can anyone out there work out what the search algorithm of Giphy is doing to think that these are the search results that you'd want when you're combining these two terms, despite the fact that individually Giphy totally understands the two terms perfectly well? So when you search long, the hashtag, the suggested tags are stickman, spin, land, handy, that, turn. That's strange. Okay, that's strange on its own. And the suggested tags for thumbs, thumbs up. Yeah. So let's try in a different order. Thumbs, long. Okay, the order doesn't seem to matter. The algorithm obviously splits the words. So there, that is my question to the internet, to the software engineers out there and the budding reverse engineers. The reason I'm recording this as a video right now, 14th of March, is this feels like something that's going to get fixed as soon as awareness gets raised. But I doubt Giphy will ever explain. I would love it if anybody who works for Giphy is willing to show me the neural network pattern and the nodes, if that is indeed how your algorithm works. Is there some cultural connection between the terms long, thumbs, and all of these images that I should be aware of, or I should be able to work out? God, even if you type it singular, you get a different set of results, but it's still all relating to scantily clad, beautiful women doing titillating, playful things. But you get a different set of result whether you pluralize thumbs or not. Long thumbs gets you that set of results. Long thumb gets you that set of results. Thumb on its own gets you what you'd expect. Okay, I think I've found a clue. I've done a little bit of searching and I think I've worked this out. So I found this article by NVIDIA, and they're showing off this Giphy have released a AI-based algorithm. Now this makes sense. So they're using deep learning to understand. In this particular article, they're talking about recognizing celebrities' faces. And so yeah, NVIDIA are showing off the fact that they're using their processing technology, but essentially deep learning they feed all their GIFs, all their images into deep learning to try and understand what the image is. And Okay, so if you now know that's what it's trying to do, you could arguably say that in every single one of these results is something that looks like a thumb. So the deep learning algorithm could have picked up the curve of that banana and thought that was a thumb. The general shape of Salma Hayek's body there could be thumb-like. I'm not suggesting that these results have got a high confidence score, and I doubt there's any way to see the confidence score as a member of the public. Her arm and shoulder there, that the curve of her little finger there does indeed look like a thumb. You know, given how bad neural networks can be, if we look at the classic, which is muffin or dog, or muffin or chihuahua, yeah, this is the classic meme of how difficult it is for a neural network to learn to tell the difference between things. And so I think we've found a similar. Okay, it's not quite as memeable, but the fact that thumbs are so difficult to recognize, and that is paid testament to by the fact that anybody who goes to art school and tries to learn how to draw, thumbs and hands in general are the hardest things to learn how to draw, because they look so different from every angle, and they're so changeable. So I think all the neural network has, the deep learning algorithm, sorry, I probably keep using the wrong terms. What deep learning has done here is just learn to pick up long shapes of flesh and decided that's a thumb, combined with the fact that probably a lion's share of content on Giphy is titillating images of scantily clad women. So those two things combined, the fact that Giphy is mostly these types of images, and it's incredibly difficult for deep learning to recognize a thumb, I think that is what is happening here. But again, I plead to Giphy employees, if you would be willing to give me a glimpse into the deep learning debugging output, or whatever you call it, or the confidence scores, that it would really help me if I could understand this mystery. Thank you very much.